Getting a video idea is the only option that can help your long video to go viral. Yes, you need to get the idea of the video that you wanted to do, the video that you wanted to create. You need to get the idea from YouTube recommendation. It's YouTube that is going to suggest the idea for you. They will show you the trading content that is going to be, that is the people are searching for, or in the niche that you are, in the niche that you are creating. Like, they're going to show you everything. So on this video, I'm going to show you where you can find those kind idea, like any idea of the video you are creating from your niche. On this video, I'm going to show you. If it is what you wanted to know and what you would like to follow me to learn how you can find the idea to make your long video to go viral, so kindly consider by subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. I just wanted you to go to under comment section. Now this is the only way you are going to gain a subscriber from my video. Go to the comment section and write like all new YouTuber should gather here and let's support each other. When you type it, me to myself, I'll come there to subscribe to the channel and make sure say you too you subscribe to my channel too. So on this video, I will show you step by step how you can get your video idea to make your long form video to go viral, like I told you earlier. So if it is what you wanted to know, stay consistently and make sure say you watch the video to the end, because at the end, that is where the secret is going to push up. Don't rush yourself. You need to calm down and watch this video so that I will show you this, because many people are making a mistake. Some of us are posting short. When you post short, your short will go viral, but your long video does not go viral. I will show you what is the reason, because you did not get your video idea from YouTube. Let me take you to my studio where we can get video idea for we to post on our platform. When the people, what people are looking for, like what people are searching for on YouTube will let you know, and they will tell you how you can title your video to make that video today recommended. And whenever they search, and you can even see people that have already created a content that relative to that. And if you put your own video too, you do your own video, you post it too, your own video too, would they at least the video will suggest your own content to your own right audience. So that is what I wanted to show you on this video. Without not wasting much of your time, let's go to the screen. Let me show you all this thing now. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can find your video idea. Like I told you earlier, is to get video idea is YouTube can assist you to give you your video idea. Depend on with all the any type of niche you are, YouTube will help you to give you idea on your YouTube studio. So many people don't know it, and they don't know how to look up to for the trading idea of their niche. So guys, let me show you how I got my own video idea so that YouTube can help you to push your video. So first of all, you are going to open your YouTube studio like this. YouTube studio. So now here we are. So now we are here on the studio, and the studio have already opened. Where could we find this idea? If you can look down here, we have dashboard, we have content, we have analyzing, we have comment, and we have in. So before you know, dashboard is those one that to show you both your subscriber, your views, and what your 3 recently video the performance. That is dashboard. So when we go to content is all your content that you have been creating, what video you have been creating, you will see it here from the latest one down to the others. So where we are, what are we talking about? How could we find idea, like the video idea that we are going to post? That is what will make your long video to go viral. So first of all, let's see this particular video I post now, how I got the idea before I do the video for you. Here we go. So we are going to go to click on analyzed. We click on this analyzed. So you can see analyze as we open. Top content on my channel, you can see it like top content that getting view. You can see the performance. This channel I just started in new, although I will show you everything. If you can look up here, we have trades like trading topic on this my niche. We have overview, we have content, and we have audience. So instead of you to go, we are going to go to this number one, because what we are going to look for now is the idea of the video that we are going to post next. So let's click on trade. Now we don't click on trade. So you can see like they have given idea. There's a top search, like what people search most on YouTube. That is the meaning of this top search on YouTube. Now, how to include CEO to make any video go viral. How to include CEO to make any video go viral, which is I'm going to show you on this again. And this inside this video is what I'm going to show you how to put it again, so that you know how to do it. You being here doesn't mean you waste your time. Now you find a trading topic on your niche. You have a lot of, you can choose the one that is easier for you to do. Here again you can see CEO technique for developer. You can see content strategy for social media. We have a lot. Let's go to click on how to include CEO. Let's wait till you open. See how to include CEO to make any video go viral. You can see not enough information about the audience. Searching on YouTube presently now again is how to make a long video. How to make long form video to go viral. For the one of this see the top training, how to include CEO to make any video go viral. You can see it here now. Somebody has already done it, which is this man we all know. This is YouTube CSO secret will skyrocket your viewer. So you can see many people are starting creating all these things. These people that you are seeing here, they got the idea from their YouTube. So if I were you now, like this particular video I'm doing here now, it's not what you saw, but is how to make long form video go viral. So now I know, so I'm going to, that is why I create this thing. And this is what you need to do. You have to look for your trading video, like the video that you know say is trading through this YouTube, that then will give you what people are searching for. You can screenshot it like this so that you will not forget the title. So when you screenshot it like this, you have it there so that you have know why you are doing this. So that is what I said to brought to you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy learning it, and I would like to see you for my next video tomorrow. So I believe you have learned a lot, and as you learn a lot, I believe you like what you learn. So if you like what you learn, and you know say yeah, this video is assistful, they helpful to you, please kindly consider by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I drop a new video, you got notified. I would like to see you for my next video tomorrow. Bye.